Data type means it represents type of data. In PHP, data types are divided into three categories. First one is scalar data type, second one is composite data type, and third one is special data type. Scalar data types, it includes integer, float or double numbers, string, and boolean. Composite data types are array and object. Array and object are considered as composite data type, and special data types are null and resource. Null and resource are considered as special data types. First, scalar data type. So let's understand each data type in. Scalar data type allows us to create variable or constants which can hold only single value. For example, integer, float, string, and boolean. It all contains single value. So integer means a whole number. A whole number including positive and negative numbers. That is, numbers containing without any fractional part. For example, integers 100, 200, minus 400, these are all considered as integer. So in PHP we used to assign variable using dollar symbol, age equal to some 20. So age is a variable which contains integer data type. Next, float data type. Float which can hold fractional and decimal point numbers. For example, if you consider pi value, we must write 3.1415. So the fractional part is considered as floating numbers. For example, student percentage always not come as a whole numbers. 75, 85 do not come. Sometimes 85.5, 85, 80.6. So these are considered as floating point numbers. So again, I am creating one variable, student percentage equal to 75.67. So here the variable name student underscore percentage is a variable which holds floating point numbers. Next one is string. String which indicates sequence of characters. For example, our student name or our college name, it may be considered as a string. VHN, SNC. So it's a sequence of character enclosing with double quotations and sometimes with single quotations also. So student name can be written in the single quotation also. So if I assign variable to that, name equal to Raj. So here the variable name is name which contains string data type. Boolean is a data type. Boolean is a data type which contains two values, true and false. For example, A equal to true. If student is passed true, that time we can use this Boolean data type. So Boolean is data type which contains two values, true or false. Composite data types which can hold multiple values while creating a variable or constants which can hold only multiple values. For example, array and object. Array, as we know, that collection of similar data types. Object and class are two important patterns in OOPS concept, object-oriented programming. Right now we are going to discuss about OOPS concept. Just object is a composite data type. Array, for example, name equal to array of Come on. Wow, like that I can keep on add multiple values. We store multiple values, that is composite data type. Null is a special data type which can hold only one value, that is null. If a variable is created without assigning a value, then it is automatically assigned to the null values. For example, name equal to null. Name equal to null. Null is nothing. So name equal to null. Later on, when the user enters, I store some other value into the name. Resource. Resource is a special data type which can refer external resource. For example, so index is external resource. I am referring in the variable name file. It acts as a reference for data, which it acts as a reference for external source for data like file, stream, and database, etc. So finally, data types in PHP consist of scalar data type, composite data type, and special data types. Scalar data type contains single value, and composite multiple values. Special data types, null and resource are considered special data type. Null is empty, and resource we can link for an external resource. It acts as a reference for the external resource. So that's all about data types in PHP.